have the body cam?
Yes, sir. I did bring the USB with Officer McParland's body cam.
Have you seen that, Ms. Foley Carter?
Very different interpretations of the body cam.
Okay. Well, I would like to see the body cam footage. So Heather, can I send her down there and you guys can get her set up where we can put it on the screen?
I don't think we can do it through here. I think it has to be set up through there. Let me check with Shane.
Okay.
Yeah.
She has it on USB. Is that what she said? Am I
How
correct?
lengthy is it?
It's 25 minutes. I didn't want to edit it or make any edits, but it is 25 minutes about.
Jeez.
I did create timestamps of the necessary, him telling me to get out and then trapping me, not letting me leave, never telling me I was under arrest, him apologizing to the sergeant, and
Thank you.
I had to go hands on her. I'm sorry, Sarge, I had to do that. She's claiming I pushed through the officer. My hands were up the whole time. And yes, I walked to the door.
Okay, so let me ask you a question.
Yes.
Well, why isn't this a fact question? Why isn't this for the jury to decide, or me if there's a bench trial?
We can go to trial. You don't have to dismiss. We can go straight to trial. I'm okay with that, and I'm ready to move forward.
Okay. So you're going to withdraw your motion to dismiss? Is that what you're going to do?
I mean, if you don't want to watch the video and you dismiss the charges after watching the video, then we can go to trial, sir. Hey, I don't want to argue. I don't want to fight.
No one. Hang on. I'm not arguing with you. You take me as arguing with you?
No, I'm just saying, sir. I don't the back and forth. Like I don't want to do it. But again, we can go to trial.
What do you mean, what back and forth? Tell me. I don't want to know what you're saying.
What you're saying, you don't want to take this to trial and whatnot.
I did not say that. When did I say that? I said, why isn't this a fact question? She's looked at the video. She disagrees with you. She's duty bound to dismiss the case if there's no valid charge here. It's based on what's in a body cam. And I'm just asking you, I'm not treating you any different than I would a lawyer. If a lawyer filed this motion, I'd be asking him or her the same questions. Why isn't this a fact question?
I know, Your Honor. Could you rephrase the question, what you're trying to ask? I feel like it should be dismissed.
Proposed jury instructions, Ms. Phillips. Now listen to me very carefully. You think you two can get along and prepare joint jury instructions? Are you going to be cooperative with her, Ms. Phillips?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm always cooperative.
I'm not suggesting you're not. You're fine. Just you don't need to come in with an attitude. I'm going to hear you. And if you deserve to win, you're going to win this case. Okay? If you don't, you're not. Period, plain simple. But I didn't ask you to comment as to whether or not you're cooperative. I'm asking, I know there's some bad blood here. I can tell by the briefs, and I can tell how you've come in here before, in fairness. And I just want to make sure that you think you can get I can either have you do separate proposed jury instructions, or you guys can get together and submit a jury instructions that you both agree to, with the understanding if you don't agree on an instruction, then I'll hear arguments on that in that regard, and I'll decide whether or not the instruction should be read. Can you get with Ms. Foley Carter?
I'm sure we can.
Okay.
Talking really well through email, so
Okay, good. All right. Now, listen to me very carefully. I mean no disrespect with this. What is your highest level of education?
Some college.
These people, they go to law school. They pass the bar exam. Then they work at practicing for years. Like, you wouldn't expect if I got hurt that I would hire you to be my doctor, or if I needed a tooth pulled that I'd hire you to be my dentist. I'm only telling you, you can think about it. You have every right to defend yourself. But but just understand that you are subject to having knowledge of the rules of evidence, the rules that apply in a jury trial. I personally have only seen 1 or 2 people do that very well in my 31 and a half years here that are lay people. Maybe you'll be the best. I don't know. I'm just suggesting to you that you reconsider what I'm telling you and that you consider allowing me to appoint you a lawyer. You don't want a lawyer. You can run these gamuts all you want. You know, you can run the whole gamut if you want. And I'm just telling you, the last thing I want to see happen is somebody get convicted that didn't do anything wrong. And that's always subject to a real possibility when they're doing something that they probably aren't equipped to do. You're not equipped to be a lawyer. You have the right. You have the right. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, I understand, Your Honor. I went through the same thing with Hesson.
Judge Hesson. Judge Hesson.
And yeah, I understand she is has a lot of experience. But Your Honor, I'll be okay.
All right. So we're going to put this down for proposed jury instructions due by, I'm going to say.
This hearing ends without a dismissal, but the fight is far from over as the judge orders the evidence reviewed and sets the stage for a jury trial where every detail will be tested. Was this simply a procedural delay, or could the body camera footage completely change the outcome when this case returns to court? In the justice system, the biggest twists often happen long after the courtroom empties. If you enjoyed this courtroom breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next case, because the next verdict could be even more shocking.